I'm back, guys. I'm here. Welcome back, and this is like the number 43, my daily speaking challenge. I'm just talking here on camera, sitting and chilling with you, sharing my opinion about different topics, just to improve my speaking skills. Because this obvious the fact, the best way to improve your speaking is to start speak, especially on camera, bro. When after recording. This video will help you to analyze your mistakes, your pace, and everything. Alright, guys. Today is the theme books. Books is something special, really, in our world. Like, we got books a lot of centuries already, maybe 1,000 years or more. I don't know where was the first book printed. So, and especially in my dormitory room, my roommates, we just huge fans of reading books. Especially my bro Vittorio. We got right here. I will better show you like this, like huge collection of the books. Like a lot of different books in Russian, mostly in English. Like what is here? Frank Gerberg, Duna. I don't know. I've never read this, but we even got Bible somewhere. This is what we're proud of here. Bible with gold pages. Know what I'm saying? Bible also here. So it's not everything. We got a lot of in the background, but books here is really valued. And right now I'm reading I've been reading a book. It's called Miss Peregrine's Peculiar Children. About some fantastic children, fantastic family. When Jacob trying to investigate something about the past, his grandfather, his family, his incredible, fantastic children, and a lot of strange like creatures. All right, what do we got in IELTS speaking questions about books? Do people in your country like to read books? Yes, in Russia, this is well-known fact that Russia is really reading country. Especially, I want to detail a little bit that USSR, you all know this country before Russia, it was the most reading reading country in the world. In this country, people were reading a lot of books, more than in other countries in the world. So even when you were going like in the metro, in a train, I don't know, even when you're walking to the street, you always could see the guy who's going and taking like a book in his hands and reading something in different topics. Yeah. What are the most popular types of books? Bible, maybe Bible is the most printed books ever, I guess so. About types, genre, I would say there's something about fiction, so yeah, fantasy maybe, science fantastic, something like this. I'm not really an expert in this area. Do you think it is important for people to read books? Definitely important, because by reading the books, you will develop your brain considerably, guys. Just even this is much more pleasant than from time to time than watching a movie, because when you watch a movie, you already see all the idea in the screen. You already see the characters, how they dressed, what are they doing, what are they taking, the episode, the place, yeah. But in a book, when you're reading, you create all the characters in your minds. You imagine in your brain everything, all the clothes, all the territory, all the nature, all the dialogues, what are they doing? You imagine this. It depends only on your conscious mind, yeah, only about you. And I really love this. You create your own movie in your brain. This fantastic side of reading books. Moreover, this will help you to enrich your vocabulary. Even when you read Russian books, and if I'm a Russian speaker, it will enlarge my vocabulary, and so I will speak better when I read these new words, new structures. Yeah. In your opinion, do people read as much nowadays as they did in the past? Now, obviously, I already told about this. Gadgets right now replaced the real books. Gadgets replaced, and for young generations, it is much more interesting to spend time on social medias than read books. Even like when I was a baby, a little kid, I started my learning from books because we didn't have a gadget in my family that days. It wasn't popular, and I learned everything in the books. I read the tales, the alphabets of Russian. I learned Russian, everything in books, the pictures, real books with my mom. It was really cool. But now, I guess, even our parents in nowadays, parents prefer to maybe give the gadget first to kids, and all the books already implemented in gadgets, all the like I don't know, apps for developing children inside the gadget. Oh my gosh, it can be pretty possible that little kids will take the gadget first in the hand instead of book. Do you think the traditional books will be replaced by tablet reading in the future? Maybe, because in subway, I will repeat it again, I always see the guys who read tablets. What about replaced? I don't think so, actually. I don't think so, because it's much more pleasant to hand a real book in your hands, yeah, than just reading from the screen. Just it's much more pleasant when you can switch the pages and hear the sound. You see this? Here? This is great, yeah, this is great. Atmosphere. That's pretty much about my thoughts. Theme books today. I love, in general, conclusion, I love books. I will advise everyone read the books, at least, I don't know, 10 pages a day. It's gonna be really cool when you read the books. And improve yourself. Getting better, guys. Let's go. Let's learn language. Let's read books. Let's just educate ourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.